All right, what are we doing?
We are going to go to the water park.
So right behind us is the Peppa Pig construction. It's 2022. If you guys want to stay up to date with construction, definitely follow us, subscribe, and we'll keep you guys up to date.
Oh yeah, you can see something. Look in there.
You can kind of see through a flap. Here we go.
Can I
There's some construction going on. We're ready.
Buddy boy.
Sand.
You can see sand.
And
We're probably working hard.
a little bit.
So we are at Legoland Florida. We're headed to the water park. Normally you can go through here and to the left to get to the water park. That's the quickest way. But we have to go all the way around through Duplo and Kingdoms to get to the water park right now because of the construction. So normally cut through here and go to the left over here. They're building a canopy over it so that way it's not so hot in the summer. It'll actually be really nice. There's the sign for the water park. You're gonna make a left at driving school up this ramp. We're gonna go get checked in, and then we will do a quick tour. You can see the lazy river, and they are excited. We've got the surf shop, which I can go in later. I know, lockers are over here. I'm gonna see how much they are, and then we're gonna go, there's like a little beach and brick grill with some burgers, chicken hot dogs, and then the splash pad. The lazy river, it might be closed. I don't know why. Lincoln's getting ready to go down the slide over here. Now we gotta, oh, there's Buddy. It's a fun little kiddie pool when you first walk in. So there's a couple of slides. There's like a little, this is good for just little toddlers. This says this is the Duplo Splash Safari. The Build-A-Raft is closed right now. We'll keep checking back. There's a wave pool, a Joker Soaker, Twin Chasers, and Splash Out. We've actually never been back here, so I'm going to go explore. There's the wave pool. Looks fairly big. It looks like there's tacos over here, but it's not open. And then there's this kid area that looks fun. The kids are gonna love that. Holy moly. And then there's more lockers over here. You'll probably get a locker over here. You do have to pay for it. I think it's like $10. I'll double check. Okay, this is the Joker Soaker. 40 inches. What is this? I'll ask. So this is going to be a huge area. When we go with the kids, I'm going to bring the GoPro because I can't let this camera get wet. But this looks really fun. I have to see. I think some of the slides might have a 40 to 36 inch height requirement. But both kids are tall enough. Look at that big bucket. Whoa. That is awesome. Okay, this is the wave pool. It looks like there's a countdown. So 4 minutes from now, I guess there's going to be a huge wave. So we'll have to come in here a little bit later with the GoPro as well. There's little building bricks that they can play with too in the water. That's cute. Then there's the Twin Chasers and the Splash Out. The one lady said one had to be 42 inches and one had to be 48 inches to go on. Okay, someone's going down on the right. That one looks a lot easier. There we go. Oh, I wonder if it gives you a big wedgie. The Twin Chasers, looks like guests must be at least 42 inches to ride or under, and under 48 have to wear a life jacket. It looks like you can ride 42 inches with an adult. So we're gonna go do that too. That'll be fun. I think it's just making waves. This is back open. So now people are on it again. We're definitely gonna go on this. However, I think the kids are gonna wanna go on the Joker Soaker. And then we're back to the front. Let's go grab the kids, the GoPro. Let's go have some fun. Here's the life vest.
We're gonna come over here though and get our inner tubes.
Let's get our inner tubes and we're gonna go in the water. He's like laughing. Ah!
Hey, everybody. Go.
Take your hat off, Daddy.
Hold on, we're gonna pull up.
You want to go over there? Yeah. Does that look fun? Ah. The wave pool. That's pretty cool. That was so weird. Fine. Is that fun? You can swim. You can swim. Hi, buddy. Is that fun? There you go.
And then hold his belly.
Here, come to Daddy. Come on. Here's Daddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, look at buddy boy.
Let's go to the slide. He says, I want to go to the slide.
All right, let's go. Cold, it's cold, it's cold. Woo. There's a blue slide, there's yellow, red, and green. There's a bunch, there's another light blue over there. It looks like there's the yellow. Pumpkin and Buddy. This one's blocked off, it looks like. There's Buddy Boy. And there's another blue slide up there. Alright, waiting to get the rafts. It's probably going to be about 20 minutes just to get it. Alright, we got our rafts. You ready, buddy? Mm-hmm. I'm going to go up there. These you have to be 48 inches. There's the wave pool and the kiddie area. We're almost there. Look.
All the way to the top.
Yeah, we are.
Look, I can see everything.
Yeah, I can see everything too. Buddy. Okay. I got you.
I bumped my head over on the slide. That was cool.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Buddy and I fell off. Well, I want to ride with you if we do it one more time.
Can I ride with you?
Yeah, I want to ride with you. Yeah.
And can I ride with Daddy and...
He fell off. We twisted and fell off the tube.
It's dark.
It is dark.
That was fun.
He's excited. Oh yeah, are you excited, Pumpkin? Okay. Definitely, all right. Bye. Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Ah! Woohoo! Woo! Try not to hold on to both hands. Woohoo! Woo! Whoa! Good job, Morgan. All right, sit up.
Now let's go to
Okay, hold on. Let's wait for Daddy.
the rain.
Oh, I hear him. Woohoo!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That was fun. But Pumpkin, stay right here.
Was that fun?
That was fun.
It's pretty small. It's just the splash pad, the lazy river, a couple of slides, and some tube slides as well. The wave pool and the Joker splash pad. That's about it. It's pretty small. Also coming up is the Lego Friends weekends. They have Ninjago weekends. They have a bunch of different themes, so we'll be back to check those out too.
Stay here, big subscribe. On the like button.
All right, click the like button.